dear students, hope you are healthy and hearty. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take ICT class for the students of class 9 on the topic chapter 4, page 64 to 66. I am repeating, today our topic is chapter 4, page 64 to 66. Students, this is lecture number 5 and homework number is 4. Now students, please take your textbook. We will learn from the text. So let's start. Our today's topic is chapter 4, page 64. So look at this picture. Here, analysis of data can easily be done by using different functions methodically. Data can be presented with graphics, charts, etc. Students, you have done reading the earlier pages of chapter 4. Today we will elaborately discuss about different uses of spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is an interactive computer application software used for organization, analysis and storage of data in tabular forms. So what is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is an interactive computer application software used for organization, analysis and storage of data in tabular forms. Different uses of spreadsheet are given below. So in different stages we can use spreadsheet. So what are the stages? Now we will learn about that. Number 1, analyzing exam results in the education sector. Number 2, maintaining income and expenditure accounts. Number 3, preparing budgets. Number 4, maintaining records of employee salaries. Number 5, making reservations for services such as airlines. Number 6, calculating and analyzing income tax. Number 7, counting votes in elections. Number 8, analyzing and evaluating performances of players. So where we can use a spreadsheet? We can use our spreadsheet to count votes in elections. We can prepare budgets too using spreadsheet. We can count our salaries of our employees and other works also. Now come to page 65, we will learn here technique of using spreadsheet. So how we can use this spreadsheet? You have already got some fundamental concepts of spreadsheet. You will get advanced ideas in this book. So as you have learned in our earlier class about spreadsheet, today in class 9 you will learn more about this. First, multiplying. Put the formula in the result cell for multiplying in a spreadsheet. Formula always start with equal to. So here is the sign of equal to. Multiplying process is of two kinds. How many kinds of multiplying process are there? There are two types or kinds of multiplying process. So here you can see the formula of multiplying. Number 1, usually press the enter button after putting the formula into the result cell. So first what you have to do, you have to press the enter button, then after putting the formula into the result cell. Number 2, press enter button, writing spreadsheet function is equal to product in the result cell and giving the cell range. So here you can see another. The facility of multiplying by using function is that the result of multiplication of numerous cells can be done by range. Numerous means huge in number. If necessary, the process of multiplying 3 cells is shown in the picture below. So here you can see the 3 process of multiplying cells. Now come to page number 66, method of dividing. In first portion, we have learned about multiplying through spreadsheet, and here we will learn about the method of dividing. How we can do division through spreadsheet. Dividing can also be done on the spreadsheet by a formula. You have to write equal A1 here slash B1 in the result cell to divide A1 by B1. Students, look here, I have said A1 slash B1. Here the sign slash is used as the sign of division. You can understand A1 divided by B1. So here you can see, look, function is equal to A3 divided by B3. Here you can say A1 divided by B1. So it means, the slash means division, the sign of division. Calculation of percentage. Now we will learn how we can calculate about percentage. How much is 15% of Taka 400? What is the selling price at profit? 16% at the purchasing cost Taka 1,200. We frequently need to do these sorts of calculations in our practical life. Yes, we have to do all these calculations in our real life. We can do these calculations on the spreadsheet. So using spreadsheet, we can easily do calculation. To solve the first problem by spreadsheet, put formula is equal to A3 star B3% in the result cell. The process of writing the formula in the result cell by using keyboard is to write the sign equal to and click the cell where 400 is. So here you can see function x is equal to A3 star B3 into percent. So again I am saying the process of writing the formula in the result cell by using keyboard is to write the sign is equal to and click the cell where 400 is written. Then press star and click the cell where 15 is written. Then writing percent, press shift key and 5. So then for percent you have to press shift key with 5. Press enter button. You will get your result. So if you follow this formula, you will get this result. The formula is equal to A3 star B3% plus A3 should be used to solve the second problem. To solve the second problem, you have to follow this formula, and the formula is A3 star B3% plus A3. The process of writing this formula is similar to the process mentioned above. So by maintaining the above mentioned process, you can solve your problem. Now students, I am providing your homework. Your homework will be 5 MCQ from chapter 4, page number 64 to 66. That's all for today. Students, hope you have understood today's topic. Please do your homework and don't forget to submit your homework copies on every Saturday. See you in our next class, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.